first thing we gotta do is just open up the machine. We got a key here. Turn that, and the door opens right off. Alright, so first, basically what we want to do is get on like the old sodas and put the newer soda behind them, because we got to go by like the expiration.
No problem. That's what we do. And I'm Eric, by the way. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Yeah, so I guess we could take some of these Cokes, put them over here. And,
Okay. Want to take your sweater off, dude? All right.
right here we got our Coke.
Yeah.
So let's open
Hey, Carlos.
that up. All right. So
There you go.
yeah, I guess we could fill up some of it and then put a couple of these in front, just because you want the cold stuff in front, because
Okay.
so people aren't drinking warm soda.
And you just push it forward.
There you go. Couple more.
Soda again.
That should be good. So now what we're going to do is take some of the older soda and put it in front of this so that the cold stuff stays in front. There you go. More. There you go. So I guess now with these ones, we'll do the same thing. We'll take these out and put some newer soda behind them.
Right.
So you want to take those out, buddy?
Yeah.
The four right there. Pull them out. There you go. Just take those out. You want to put them here?
Yeah, want to put them right here?
Because you got to put warm stuff behind it, right? Okay, now you got to fill it with warm stuff, right?
Should need 5 cans in total, I think. Careful, you don't want to.
All right, you can come back and get more, bud.
Yeah.